Come on, buddy. Go off into the woods. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. All is well in Skunkland. A great end to a gripping story. Alright, so I got a hummingbird in this box here. Mercury, the kitty. Where is Mercury, that savage beast? And she was just laying here. Anyway, Mercury, the kitty, brought in a hummingbird, and I stole it from her, and it seemed like it was mostly dead. But... oh. He seems like he's doing a lot better. We'll see if he wants to fly away. There we go. And off he goes. We saved him! Wah! See, this is Muckawee the kitty. Destroyer of worlds, killer of innocent creatures, joy bringer to Hopper. Hi, Muckawee. She doesn't like being held, but she tortured a hummingbird.
We are in the RV.
Alright, so...
I figured this would be a quieter place than the firehouse with people walking by. What you guys doing?
There's no one there.
There's always somebody around.
Alright, so we're back.
That's right, we're back.
Second podcast episode for the Pit Guys. I'm Zach.
I'm Hopper.
And we're going to do this again. We got really good feedback from the first week, I feel like.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun. It was fun listening to myself talk. I was like, dang, this sounds good.
I even got a bunch of people that texted me and messaged me that want to be on our show, man.
That's impressive.
Yeah, we got some good guests lined up. But for today, we brought in our so far best guest we've ever had. Also the first guest that we've ever had.
And he also happens to be the best co-driver we happen to have.
And own the coolest RV that any of us have, which is where we're sitting right now. For those of you who don't know, we are in Jeff Bachman's motorhome.
It's a like a 19, what is it?
2000 Winnebago Adventurer,
which is a Class A. It's got 2 slide outs. It's got a Ford V10 with just enough power to move it up a hill. Like, we're talking move, not go forward, really just move. It's badass.
Yeah, so welcome to the podcast, man.
and I did want to be in the car.
I think what I saw was that day that we went and watched Every Man's Challenge, I watched Terry Madden, like the world's greatest co-driver in Ultra 4 racing.
So on I-70 again, headed westbound again, in traffic again, but at least this time where the slowness is cool. I'll show you when we go past it. I'm not sure what this is up here, but it looks badass. It's an oversized load of some kind. Looks like maybe it's the boom for some sort of large open pit mine type piece of equipment. But as soon as we get up to it, I'll just give you guys a look-see. Something big. Ah, yeah, look at that sucker. Look at that sucker just hanging out. Hanging out, smash us all. Pretty darn cool. That's a big old load. Freaking badass! Guys, guess what? I found the leaf springs! Yay! So after finding the leaf springs, that means I gotta take the springs on the chassis off, so I'm ready to put them on. Supposedly they're here tomorrow. I love working on this truck. Do you know why? Because there is no rust anywhere. Look at this. This is the spring hanger bolt. Rust free, it came right out. That never happens. But guess what? It's happening as you watch. You can't get any better than that. You can't ask for anything more special than that. That's what happens when you have trucks that don't go anywhere near the east, anywhere. They live out west. West life is best life. I'm telling you, it's true. West life is best life. Californians invading and lack of water notwithstanding. All right, so I've got this bolt wedged in there. I'm gonna weld here and onto the sleeve. It's worth a shot. Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. That totally worked. That totally freaking worked. Oh my gosh. That worked so much better than I thought it would. Oh boy. Look at that, fully free spinning. Now I just gotta cheat it out. Right there, folks. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Ha!